Hi my friends, I have a tutorial for you today. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the green screen videos. Please subscribe to my channel for the latest GFX. Open the Adobe Premiere software. Put your video in the timeline. Place the green video at the top of your video. From the Effects menu, open the Video Effects and go to the keys, then select the Ultra key. Drag and drop the Ultra key on the green video. Then click Select Color. Then select the green range. It's finished. Do not forget, subscribe to my channel for the latest GFX. Good luck.